In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a formula that adds up values for you, either manually or with Airtable's built-in AI helper. First, head to Airtable in your browser and sign in. Open the base where you want this total to live. Inside your table, look for the header row where your field names are listed. Click the plus sign to add a new field. This is where we'll place the running total so it updates automatically as your data changes. When the field setup opens, you'll see an option to choose the field type. Start typing the word formula into the field type search, then select formula. Choosing a formula field tells Airtable that the value for this column should be calculated, not typed in by hand. If you don't immediately see it, continue typing until it appears. The search narrows the list quickly. Now you have two ways to create the math. You can write the formula yourself or let Airtable help. If you prefer assistance, click Create Formula with AI. This opens a prompt where you can describe what you want. For example, you might say, sum the values from the amount, tax, and shipping fields. Airtable will propose a formula based on your description. If you're writing it yourself, type the formula that adds the fields you need. You can do this with simple addition, like amount plus tax plus shipping, or by using the sum function, like sum, amount, tax, shipping. Airtable handles blank number fields gracefully, so if one of those fields is empty, the total will still compute using the values that are present. If your field names contain spaces or special characters, make sure they're wrapped in curly braces exactly as they appear in your table. When you're using the AI helper, review the suggested formula to ensure the field names match your table. If everything looks good, click Create Formula to accept it. If you're entering the formula manually, double-check for typos and matching braces. Finally, confirm the setup by clicking Create. Airtable will add the new formula field to your table and instantly calculate the total for each record. As you update the underlying number fields, your sum will refresh automatically, keeping your data consistent and accurate without extra work. That's it. You went to Airtable, added a new field, selected formula, built your sum either by typing it or with AI, accepted the formula, and created it. You now have a clean, dependable total right where you need it.